Good morning. Good morning, dear student. In the previous classes, we studied about the business environment and its features and characteristics. In today's classes, we will study what are the different component of business environment. It means that what are the various factors which constitute in the environment. We already studied in the previous classes the word pest, P-E-S-T. It is a short form to know, to learn the component of business environment. Just because of P stand for political, S economic, S social, and T is technological. So one by one, we will study the component of business environment. So dear students, first according to this, we will study politicals, political environment. So dear students, political environment means to change the political situation and its affect the business environment while changing with the government, like sometimes it's a congress government and sometimes it's BJP or sometimes uh, other. So their ideology change, their attitude of government is changed, and it's bring uncertainty in the business activities. So political environment can change the business attitude. If there is no political stability, there wouldn't be the business continuously growth. Changes in political situations also affect business organization, and political stability build confidence among business community, while political instability create bad law and order situation and bring uncertainty in business activities. So political environment affect the business environment. Now come to the second point, economic. You know that economy include price, inflation, supply, demand, rate of interest, and they impact the business. They are the factor. They can affect management practice in business enterprises. If there is change in income of the people, it will increase or decrease the demand of the product. If there is some changes in rate of interest or tax policies, there would be change in the economic environment. So if there is good economic environment, it's bring opportunities in the business, but there is continuously changing in economic environment, it may be threat for the business. So economic environment also affect the business. Now come to the third point, social environment. Social environment like custom, tradition, belief, lifestyle, education level, they all things make the society, and it's include social forces. If there is some changes in social environment, it affect organization in the long run. If there are changes in lifestyle, it would affect the business. You have seen that people are paying more attention toward their health. As a result, they are more demanding for mineral water, organic vegetable, and following the diet chart. They are not demanding of tobacco, alcohol, fatty food, etc. So one side they are demanding for mineral water, other side they are less demanding on alcohol. One side they are demanding for organic food, so there are less demand of inorganic food. So social environment, lifestyle, education, they all include or they affect the business environment. Now come to the next point, technological environment. Dear students, you are seeing that technology is increasing day by day, and every new day there are some innovation, there are some research and development work, and with the emergence of new technology, we leave the previous method of working, and in the beginning to adopt technology is so difficult, and it's hamper the business of those who is not able to adopt this way of technology. For continuing growth, a businessman must closely monitor the technological changes take place in the industry, and it help to face competition and improve the quality of the product. So dear students, technology also affect the business environment. We have many examples. Previously, there is no any app, and we have to do all the work in manual. But with the advancement of technology, today we can book our railway ticket on internet. We can search education material on current diary app, etc. So these are the four component of the business environment. But there is one more component of business environment is legal environment. The word legal means law and legislation which is passed by the government. Businessmen have to act according to the various law and legislation, and their knowledge is very important for any business. If there is no knowledge of business legal environment, they have to pay fine or to close the business. So they are the component of the business environment which is very important for the paper point of view. And if you have any problem, you can call me on the given number. Thank you.